Let's talk about one of the most comforting dishes from Chinese cuisine, wonton soup. This, it's a classic. Think of soft, pillowy wontons swimming in a deliciously fragrant broth. You'll find out why making it at home is worth every effort. Ingredients. Let's break these down. Uh, for the wontons, you'll need ground pork, shrimp, scallions, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil. The broth is a wonder too. Chicken stock, garlic, and a touch of soy sauce creates a symphony of flavors. Gather these, and you're halfway there. First off, let's work on those wonton fillings. Combine the ground pork, shrimp, ginger, scallions, soy sauce, and sesame oil in a bowl. You want a mixture that's rich and smooth. If not thoroughly mixed, the flavor can be off, and that would be a travesty. Folding wontons is an art that's simpler than it looks. Place a teaspoon of filling in the center of the wonton wrapper. Add the edges with water and fold it into a triangle. Bring the side corners together and seal. Easy, right? But it might take a few tries. A quick tip for flawless wontons, use a damp cloth to cover the wrappers so they don't dry out. A single dried out wonton can ruin a whole batch as it tears and spills filling. Keep them fresh for a more pleasant cooking experience. Now let's move to the broth. Simmer chicken stock with smashed garlic cloves and soy sauce for about 10 minutes. This concoction is a warm hug in a bowl, ready to envelop your lovingly crafted wontons. You'll notice the smell is nothing short of captivating. Time for magic, cooking the wontons. Drop them into this simmering broth and cook until they float. Floating means they're cooked through usually about 3 to 5 minutes. An uncooked wonton is underwhelming, but overcook them and they fall apart. The broth is highly customizable. Do you want a bit of spice? Add a dash of chili oil. Craving something green? Toss in some bok choy or spinach. These additions make it a dish you can truly call your own, tailored perfectly to your tastes. Common pain points? Besides folding woes, it's the broth going bland. Fresh ginger and scallions can save the day. Always taste throughout the process. This ensures the full-bodied flavor that makes wonton soup stand out in a sea of soups. Pro tip, if you're feeling ambitious, try making your own chicken stock from scratch using simmered chicken bones, carrots, and onions. The flavors will intensify, promising a richer base for your delightful wontons. Homemade stock is the unsung hero of great soups. To serve, ladle the broth and wontons into bowls. Finish with a sprinkle of chopped scallions or a few drops of sesame oil. This adds a layer of freshness and aroma right before you indulge. It's the small details that elevate the whole experience. And homemade wonton soup is a labor of love that rewards with each comforting sick and bite. It's not just a dish, it's a story you've kneaded, filled, and cooked with your own hands. Enjoy the satisfaction and taste each scooped spoonful of joy.